Alright guys, so in today's video I'm showing you three ways you can decorate your notebooks for back to school. So let's get on with the video. Guys, so I know a lot of you have many different journals and notebooks. Today I have some old ones that I just want to redo. This one's just black and like this is falling off. Then we have this one, which someone scribbled on here. And then we have this one. But I know a lot of you have the ones with spirals. Or, well, not the other type. So let's get on. For this one is what I am using is an old calendar, a hot glue gun, a big paintbrush, a little paintbrush, glue sticks. I'm using white paint. You can use whatever color you want. And then just watercolors. And then I have this, it's not called lace. What is it called? Can't think of what it's called. But that is what I'm using. You'll also need scissors. What I'm doing first is I just plugged in the glue gun. Now what I'm going to do is with this purple one, the first one, so I'm going to take the white paint and just put it all over. Try not to get much on the black, as much as I can over here, because I want to try to leave it black. This is gonna probably take 2 coats to get it fully white, but you have to wait for them to dry in the middle. Alright, then we just set this one aside, and I'm actually going to do a base of white on another one. You'll need also something that you can wash your paintbrush out in, and then something to dry your paintbrush with. I'm gonna set this one aside too and let it dry. Alright, and then on to the next one. This is the one with the sticker on it that I can't get off. Oh well. So what I'm gonna do is most calendars come with pictures on top. So you can pick whatever calendar you want and then pick the picture. I think I want this one. So I'm just going to detach it from the calendar. And then measure it to the notebook. Now this is not going to be a full one, the full picture. So you need to pick which side you want. You want this side. This is where you're going to need the scissors. Measure it to wherever you're gonna put it. I'm gonna put it up against the, what is it called, the spine. So I'm just gonna measure by cutting it. And then this way you're recycling something, plus you get a pretty picture for your notebook. So now that it's semi-fitted to this, I'm gonna put this down. Here, I'll put this down right now. Move that. If you are younger, make sure that you ask your parents before using any of this stuff. Okay. So then you just put this wherever you want it. And since these corners are rounded, what I'm actually going to do instead of cutting it is I'm going to glue this on at first and then cut around. but I believe I'm going to glue this in, maybe not, just like that. So we'll see how it looks. Cut. I cut it. I don't think I want to cut it, I think I want to fold it in. So what we're gonna do, the hard thing about using hot glue is that it dries so quickly, but that's also like a good thing. Make sure that you get your picture on there the right way. First I'm doing that, and then I'm gonna put this on, and then I'll put more hot glue on once I have the picture set on there. Because like this isn't glued down, but so I glued it all on. I didn't round the corners. I left them square because I really liked leaving it square. So you can either leave it like this, which I think I'm going to, and then I'll use this lace on another one, but you could also decorate this with lace and put it there. Let's see. Go from here to here. The lace that I cut, if you like it, you can put it there. You can also use whatever lace you want. I think I like just the black, and then this, and you can also put another photo on the back if you want, or you can cover it with just a white piece of paper. I think I will just probably leave it the way it is, but I will fix this spine. Just like that. The inside here, you can glue a page down like this so that you can't see what's right here, unless you need your classes. Unless you guys put your classes there. What I'm gonna do is just glue this page down like that. This was an old notebook that we had at home, and that's just a drawing that got drawn in here. But then that's glued down. You can check and make sure that like the corners are glued down as well. And there you go. There you have your very first, I don't know, you could call it customized school journal. You can always put something on the back, which I don't know. I don't like this back with this front, but I don't have another photo like that. Maybe I'll use this one since it's the same color. Decided to grab one more journal. It's the same one, and then I'm going to use this since they are the same color, so they will match. I think I'm going to leave the hot air balloon on it, not the word Paris. I think I like the hot air balloon. So once again, just marking it with the spine, with the cut. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing with the white ones, they are fully white, they just don't look like that on camera, is taking the part that I cut off of the other one and putting it on here with hot glue. So I'll show you that in the next clip. Okay, First I'm going to be gluing.
You said
That noise.
what?
Alright guys, so that is it. I gave you guys 2 ideas. If you guys want, you can just put plain white paper on the back of these, or you can do more like you can paint the back or whatever. As of right now, I'm just going to leave them plain like this, but these are the 2 finished product. The light is glaring off of it. I love this one, and then I just took the excess paper that I cut off and put it on there. The white does not look like it's fully white when it's on camera, but it is. And then I just added that lace just for a little effect. And then all of your notebooks will match. And you can also write, like, if it's for history or whatever on it. But there it is. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. Bye. See you next time.